Hey everybody, today's project we're going to be working on is this 25-foot Howard. We're going to be using a 4-gauge kit from Kicker, marine grade. It's OFC copper, but it has a tinning over the copper to keep it from corroding, and it's Coast Guard approved. That's why you'll notice there's a yellow and a red. They actually want to use the yellow as ground and the red as power. And then it also comes with this MRBF fuse holder. So it goes directly on the positive post of the battery, and then the small fuse goes in line, and then your ring terminal goes on top of it. And then we have these brass, ground, and power distribution. This actually has separate smaller fuses to break down the current, and then this is a block to make a good connection for all your grounds. And then we're going to be using these Kicker RGB multicolor speaker rings. Right now he has Rockford Fosgate speakers, but I tried one out and they actually do fit on them. So instead of changing out all the speakers to RGB, that could get quite expensive. These speakers sound really nice, so it wouldn't be a good investment to change them just for the lights. This is a good way of solving that issue. And then we're going to be doing the PMX-2 head unit from Rockford Fosgate along with a PMX-0R. So this is a control without the display. So like in our case where the old control was, it didn't really have enough space to put a taller display, and there wasn't a better place to put one. So we're going to put this where the old Sony control is, and then back here we have a Sony transom controller. We're going to replace it with this Rockford PMX-1R.